Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add the border around the image, as well as we will discuss about how you can round your image corners. So I can type here canva.com, and now let me upload a random image. You can upload folders as well. So let me add this image just for the demo. Then click here use inner design. Then you can add any custom size for the width and height of the image. Then create new design. And now if you want to add the border, then you can simply go here, stroke. Then you can select different designs. So this one is solid border and this one is dashed, and you can increase stroke weight, so it will increase border width. And if you want to change the color, then you can go here and you can add any of the color, so it is changing accordingly. And after that, if you want to round image corners, then you can use this one. In this way you can easily add border around your images.